Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat on a Toyota Sienna. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan for coolant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine parts. Next, locate the thermostat housing, which is usually found where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once prepared, position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator to catch the coolant. Carefully remove the radiator cap, then open the drain cock at the bottom of the radiator to allow the coolant to flow out. After the system is mostly drained, use pliers to loosen the clamp and disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. This step provides clear access to the thermostat itself. With the housing exposed, unbolt it and carefully remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Take time to thoroughly clean both mating surfaces on the engine and the housing to ensure a leak-free seal with the new gasket. Now, install the new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, often with the spring facing the engine. Reattach the housing bolts and tighten them securely. After installing the new thermostat, reconnect all hoses and securely close the radiator drain cock. Begin refilling your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant slowly to prevent air pockets. Run the engine with the heater on high to bleed any remaining air, topping off coolant as needed. Finally, check for any leaks around the housing. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.